Welcome to my channel, and please see this video till the end, and I will tell you about all the health benefits of a great berry which is called blackthorn. Blackthorn is a low thorny bush or a small tree of the plum genus of the family Rosaceae, rose family. It is interesting to know, but it is actually a wild relative of the cultivated plum. The berries taste better and not so bitter if harvested after a few frosts. And now let's talk about a huge amount of health benefits which are contained in a blackthorn. First of all, it improves digestion. It relieves constipation, heals dyspepsia, reduces bloating, and cures diarrhea. It helps to empty the bowels. The active compounds in blackthorn have been shown effective for the treatment of inflammatory processes in the mouth and the respiratory system. The diuretic and anti-inflammatory activities of blackthorn promote urination, which contributes to the elimination of toxins and help treat urinary tract infections. I will show you how to make a blackthorn tea. It is very easy to make. All you need is just 2 teaspoons of blackthorn berries. As you can see, the berries that I use are dried, so I collected them and then put them to dry. After you put 2 teaspoons in a cup, fill the cup with the boiling water. Blackthorn tea is also great to use as remedy for coughs and colds because of its astringency. By the way, there is one Gypsy remedy for bronchitis. You should peel the bark of the blackthorn bush and boil it in water, and then you should drink this water. In European and Asian folk medicine, such drink is also used to cleanse the blood. What you can also do, you can steep the berries in the alcohol. 300 grams of berries per 1 liter of alcohol. Such tincture is very good to use in different rheumatic disorders. People are also actively using blackthorn fruits for preparing first and second courses, desserts and sauces. So, as you can see, blackthorn berries have lots of health benefits. And now, let's say a few words about its contraindications. So, it is worth to abstain from these small blue fruits for people suffering from chronic diarrhea, lowered blood pressure, because one more thing the blackthorn can do is to lower high pressure. You should also abstain from using it if you have allergic diseases or increased acidity of the stomach. Also to people with thrombophlebitis, varicose veins, and those who have individual intolerance of blackthorn. I sincerely hope that you have enjoyed watching this video and found some useful tips for you. Do not hesitate to hit the like button or post your comments under the video.